This beautiful fall day, we're starting the Fall in Love with Vegetables campaign because you eat what you love and what you eat matters a whole lot. And just like falling in love with the right person will make you happy, falling in love with the right foods will make you thrive. So how did I fall in love with vegetables? My mum presented vegetables to us with no urging, and sometimes she would even present them as dessert. For instance, artichokes, when they just came in season, they would come after the meal and we would eat them leaf by leaf until we came to the heart, which is our favorite part. And then we would try to divide the heart like exactly, which can't happen. And then we would fight over the largest piece. We loved vegetables. We were never asked to eat them. We ate it because we thought it was delicious, because vegetables are delicious. That's what we thought as kids. That's what my kids think too. Urging really doesn't help with love. Today I nominate my good friends Amy, Holly, and AE. Consider yourselves nominated. And you have 5 days to complete the challenge. Otherwise, I urge you to donate to No Kid Hungry or the healthy food charity of your choice. Have fun.